Cameras rolling and action. This idea all started about a year ago. With my wife, her sister and my sister's 50th birthday coming up, we decided to have a Viking party. Well, for a dress-up party, I thought, why not grow my beard and look like a real Viking? The idea was to grow my beard for a whole year for the party and then straight after get rid of it. And what do I get for Christmas? Beard oil. Now how can I shave my beard if I get gifts for my beard? Well, I decided to hang on to my beard for a bit longer. And that's where I decided to make a video of my Christmas gift. Silence on the set. Cameras rolling. And action. Silence on set. Cameras rolling. And action. Well, as far as the making of this video goes, this is where I'm going to stop. I don't want to spoil the ending. To watch the actual movie, this will be coming out shortly on my YouTube channel next week. Thanks for hanging with me on my channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you liked this video, hit the like button below, and until the next video, see you then. And cut. That's a wrap, guys.